Newspaper is very important part of lifestyle. Through it we can get information about various events happening in the whole world. No matter what we do for living, chances are that we are engaged with the news at some level on a daily basis. Even for most of the people, the first question that comes to mind is what are the latest news headlines of today, isn't it? But have you ever noticed the four colors dots at the bottom or edges of the newspaper? What does it mean? Most of us are unaware of these four color dots and meaning of giving small bidders such a large newspapers. Let's try to figure it out from this video. What is these four color dots represent in the newspaper and what does that mean? What's the meaning of four color dots in the newspaper? We all know that earlier newspapers were printed in black and white colors. Along with the time and development, newspapers are evolved nowadays. It consists of attractive advertisements, colorful photos, puzzles and many more. Many a time due to these attractive things, we can't pay attention to the color dots at the bottom of newspaper. It has been seen that some newspaper shaped colored dots are different. Sometimes they are round, they are heart shaped and star shaped. Also in some newspapers there are center of the page or some at the edges. Let's see why these colorful dots are given in the newspaper. We have studied that mainly there are three types of colors: red, yellow and blue, which are also known as basic colors. A similar type of pattern is seen in the printer, but it adds another color that is black. There are four dots are made, that is Cmyk sequence. C for cyan means blue in printing, M for magenta, that is pink color, Y for yellow color, K for black color. Cmyk printing mark is the correct sequence as you can see in the figure. If Cmyk printing mark overlap, then the image of newspaper becomes blurry and not crisp enough. Nowadays, printing in newspaper is done at a very high speed. Printing machine can print about 90,000 newspapers in an hour. Therefore, it is impossible to check every newspaper individually. With the help of modern printers, such type of mistakes are avoided. It is said that four dots tell us that printing in the newspaper has been done properly. This is regarding the newspaper and four dots, why they represent and the correct sequence. If the printing mark is in a correct sequence, then printing is proper. If the printing mark is not in a correct sequence, the printing is improper. Cmyk represents C for cyan, that is means a blue color, M for magenta, Y for yellow, K for black color. That's regarding the dots of the newspaper. If you're first to my channel, I request you all to subscribe so that you cannot miss any of the interesting updates like this. Please do join us. Wifi is study Karo.